Welcome to Money Made Simple. Today, we're going to talk about building generational wealth from scratch. Let's get into it. Hey there, ever think about what it would be like to set up your family for financial success long after you're gone? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of building generational wealth from zero. Yes, from scratch. It might sound like a daunting task, but stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll see it's not only possible, but totally achievable. So let's talk about a problem that many of us face. You want your kids and maybe even their kids to have a better financial future, right? But when you're starting with nothing, it feels like you're at the bottom of a mountain. And trust me, you're not alone in feeling this way. It's a common struggle. But here's the good news. Every wealthy family had to start somewhere. All right, first things first. Let's demystify what generational wealth actually means. It's more than just having a big bank account. We're talking assets that can be passed down, like real estate, businesses, investments, things that grow over time. The goal is to create a safety net for your family, something that can provide financially for years to come. Now you might be thinking, sounds great, but how do I even start? Well, it begins with education. Understand the basics of personal finance, like budgeting, saving, and investing. These are your building blocks, and here's a secret. Even the wealthiest families prioritize financial literacy. It's the foundation of everything. Once you've got the basics down, it's time to look at real-world examples. Let's take a page from someone like Warren Buffett. He didn't start with a mountain of cash, but he did start with investing what he had, reinvesting the returns, and being patient. The key here is patience and understanding that wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. Speaking of investing, let's talk about making your money work for you. Consider starting with stocks or mutual funds, things that can offer growth over time. If that sounds complex, don't worry. There are plenty of resources to help you get started. Just remember, every dollar you invest is a step towards building that generational wealth. Another strategy, think about real estate. It's one of the most time-tested ways to build wealth. It might seem out of reach, but there are ways to start small, maybe a rental property or even a real estate investment trust. The idea is to generate income and let your investment appreciate over time. Let's not forget about starting a business. Many family fortunes have started with a simple business idea. It doesn't have to be a massive corporation. It could be something you're passionate about. The aim is to create a source of income that can eventually be passed down. Now, here's the actionable takeaway. Start small. Focus on increasing your financial knowledge, save consistently, and invest wisely. Set goals for yourself and your family and review them regularly. Remember, even the smallest steps can lead to significant progress over time. Before we wrap up, here's your call to action. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit too. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel for more tips on making money simple. Let's build wealth together, one step at a time.